My name is Noah and we're making another video, but this time it's about Fortnite and Nerf because we're unboxing this Fortnite gun, but it's a Nerf gun, and I know exactly which gun it is. It's a burst assault rifle. So we're first gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna invite my brother and cousin over, so we have a Nerf battle with Nerf guns. First, let me just show on the table what we have. The actual gun, the batteries for the gun, a mask, because we have 2 masks, and a load of bullets. So that's all we have. Okay, first we're gonna unbox the mask. Oh, this is easier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, never mind when I said that. Oh, and actually, yeah, for this, safety first. Now, we go to the gun itself. Might need a knife for this. I don't think. Yeah, no. Why does it look like there's nothing in here? The gun's so flippin' small, you can say there is nothing in there. Okay, I need a knife. Alright, we got some scissors. Where the batteries go? Just get out of there, you old screw. Okay, I finally found out how to use this. What? Oh God, I don't think these are the batteries they were looking for. These are jumbo-sized batteries. Yeah, no, this don't work. We thought it was these batteries, but it was chunky size C batteries. And so my mom's going into a store so she can, well, buy the batteries. Well, in the meantime, I'm gonna shoot you. 5 hours later. 5 quintillion years later. Oh, again. Now we got the batteries. It took so long, but finally we got the batteries. Time to open them. Why does it have to be every time? Just literally break everything. But where the batteries actually are. Finally, okay. This took so long, but finally we got the batteries. Yeet, yeet. Where did the other box go? Ah, there it is. These were the last batteries that they had. Okay, they almost fell. Now, alright, Mr. Screwdriver. See your screwy. Yep, that's enough. Bum, 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 bum. Hold up. Yeet, yeet. Where are the bullets? I guess we got bullets from the gun itself, so why not? Alright, I'm filling this thing up. Yeet, yeet, yeet. Alright, we got the ammo. I think it's slow-mo time. I think it's slow-mo time. Okay, and well, this gun is actually straight from Fortnite. And well, it's a burst assault rifle. It's an epic or legendary one. And you'll know what I mean if you play Fortnite. And there's like a wrapping. Burst assault rifle shoots 2 bullets, but you used to shoot 3 bullets at a time. Okay, now we're talking about more guns. Okay, now we're on to the Fortnite pistol. I think this is a legendary pistol because it's yellow. Again, you'll know if you play Fortnite, you'll know what I mean. And that's for all the Fortnite guns, so. Yeah, just a normal pistol, yeah. And it's the worst game in Fortnite if it's a common pistol, so I mean that's really all I have to say about the pistol. So and we have the surge fire. That's how the gun is called. You can see right here. And this wheel can store 16 bullets. And it's very weird. I don't know why they added it, but yeah. You put the bullets in here, one by one. You can put 16 bullets, and you reload like this. I'm gonna shoot you. Well, I don't really like this gun that much. With the 16 wheel like thing, it would be much better if it was like one of the other guns that we have over there. Alright, 3 guns. Alright, so we have the lightning bow. And well, it shoots at like mega bullets. Yeah, it says right here, mega bullets. It's a bow. It's actually one of my favorite guns. Mega, it's one of my favorite guns, but not my favorite. Alright, so this is my favorite gun because it has a chainsaw. It's like a zombie weapon. Alright, now we got a sniper. This one with the wheel thing is kind of better because wait, is something wrong? There we go. Look at this. You can literally just put your ammo in here. Look at this. I'm gonna snipe you. It's kind of a very good gun. Yeah, it's a sniper. With 5 bullets, it's kind of good. And I also like this gun. Yeah, this is a real big boy. I can barely even lift it. This is a gigantic gun. It shoots 3 bullets at once. And it's called the Judge. This is also one of my favorites, but not one of my favorites holding. It literally just yeets me down. So that's all the guns. Well, now we're gonna invite my cousin and brother over here. And this place is really gonna get a ton of bullets. honest. Lovely. Yeah, yeah. Wow, hello. Hey, that's not fair. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye.